Today, we're going to talk about 5 things you didn't know your insurance covers. Hey there, welcome back to the Phoenix Insurance Channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might not seem the most exciting at first glance, renter's insurance. But trust me folks, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So here are 5 things that you didn't know your renter's insurance covers. Your laptop when it's stolen out of your car, or anything for that matter. First things first, let's talk about that sinking feeling you get when you realize your laptop has been stolen from your car. It's a real bummer, right? Well, here's the thing, your auto insurance might not cover it. If it's not permanently attached to the car, odds are it's not covered by your auto insurance. Instead, homeowners or renters insurance often swoops in to save the day by covering personal property even when it's not within the confines of your humble abode. Those things are covered by the personal property off-premise clause of your renter's insurance policy, which is generally 10% of your total property coverage. So, next time you're out and about, rest assured that your belongings are still protected. You can cover for the breakage of expensive things. Now, let's chat about your prized possessions. Whether it's that expensive engagement ring, your state-of-the-art gaming console, or maybe even your beloved vintage vinyl collection, accidents can happen to even the most careful of us. But with renter's insurance, you can schedule these items on your policy and shield them for breakage or accidents no matter where you are. It's like having a safety net for your most cherished belongings. This is especially worthwhile for people with expensive bicycles, because even if you crash because you were looking at something as you rode by, it would be covered, without being subject to deductibles, as long as it's a scheduled item on your renter's insurance policy. Coverage against your dog being a jerk. Pets. They bring us so much joy and companionship, but what about when they misbehave? Whether it's a dog bite incident or just your furry friend causing chaos around the house, renter's insurance has got your back. It's not just about protecting others from your pet's antics, it's also about safeguarding your belongings from any potential damage they might cause. After all, accidents happen, but that doesn't mean you have to foot the bill alone. You can talk all the trash about that person down the hall that you want. Now, let's delve into a slightly more serious topic, defamation. We've all been there. Gossip spreads like wildfire, and sometimes you might find yourself in hot water due to something you said. In the dog scenario, you are directly responsible for physical damages you can see, but if you're accused of slander, that is also covered by your renter's insurance policy. I would suggest you talk less trash about them, but we all know who you are inside. And I think I'd be wasting too many of my precious 500 words if I did, so I'll just suggest you raise the liability limits on your renter's insurance policy, and maybe consider some counseling. Medical payments to someone that is injured on your property. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about party mishaps. So you've invited a few people over and are having cocktails. Chet is slicing limes because he always declares himself bartender, even though he's bad at it, and suddenly the smell of blood is in the air, and your kitchen counter looks like a crime scene. No worries, just trundle Chet off to the emergency room and let your renter's insurance pick up the bill under the medical payments coverage on your renter's insurance policy. Most renter's insurance policies come with a minimum of $500 coverage, but if you know a Chet, you should consider upping your coverage. Renter's insurance often includes medical payments coverage. This means that if a guest is injured on your property, your policy can help cover their medical expenses, taking a weight off your shoulders and ensuring that everyone can focus on getting back to the party in no time. And there you have it, folks. Renter's insurance might not be the most glamorous topic, but as you can see, it's certainly worth exploring. So whether you're renewing your policy or considering getting one for the first time, remember these hidden gems of coverage. Stay informed, stay protected, and as always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on navigating adulthood. Until next time, take care and stay safe.